Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. I am back with another brand new book to share, and this book is perfect for spring. This book is This Little Kitty in the Garden. It is written by Karen Obahanich, and it's published by Holiday House, and we want to thank them for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, are you ready to find out what this book is all about? Let's get started. And what do we see on these end pages? It looks like some muddy paw prints. This little kitty in the garden. Spring has sprung on Sakura Way. The 5 little kitties will garden today. This little kitty fetches from the cart tools, hats, gloves, and a helpful grower's chart. Do you see all 5 kitties? Looks like one's taking a nap. Hey, little kitties, you have to make some room. These budding starter plants need space to breathe and bloom. Sniff, snuff, snarf, hachoo! This little kitty found a flower full of sticky pollen with extra sneezing power. How many of you are suffering from spring allergies? Do flowers make you sneeze? They make Ben sneeze. They also make Murphy sneeze. These little kitties hear the bumbles buzz, watch the butter bees flutter, and poke at Crawly buzz. That patch of wispy grass is moving kind of funny. And he's just a fluffy bunny. They're scared of the bunny. Meow! Charlie's probably dreaming of bunnies right now. Come on, little kitties, it's time to plant the seeds. Soften up the soil, get rid of all those weeds. Leafy greens prefer some shade. The peppers like it hotter. Gently tuck the seedlings in and sprinkle them with water. Looks like they're all taking turns napping. And I really wish my cats would do this. This little kitty trains a tendril curl, while these little rascals splish and splash and swirl. Whew. Everything is planted, another spring success. Oh dear little kitties, we've made quite the mess. Let's tidy up together. Our tools go in the shed. Now, where did all the kitties go? Where'd they go? We see their paw prints. Asleep in the garden bed. They're busy. They were all busy and now they're all tired. Cats love naps. The end. So, what did you think about this story? Let us know on our Instagram page. I will be back next week with more brand new stories to share. So until then, everybody have a great weekend. Definitely come in and check out this book, and I will see you back here soon. Bye for now.